All right, let's get into it. We're looking at a critical 18-month window of new global building regs.
And this is a big deal. We're talking a huge wave of deadlines hitting global portfolios all at once.
And get this, they're not staggered. It's different data, different systems, all hitting you at once.
So we're going to break down the key dates, the penalties, and your 3-step action plan to get ahead.
Okay, let's kick things off with 2026. The clock is ticking in Europe, the UAE, and the US. By May 29, 2026, this huge EU building law has to be adopted by all member states, no exceptions. That same month, UAE entities face mandatory emissions reporting. This is the first law of its kind.
And the penalties for not complying are steep, up to 2 million dirhams for just one violation.
In California, a major law takes effect, demanding reports on your direct Scope 1 and 2 emissions.
And if you miss that deadline, it could cost your organization $500,000 for just 1 year.
Now, let's look at 2027. Believe it or not, the pressure actually continues to build from here.
The big themes for 2027? Zero-emission buildings and way broader reporting requirements. It's a ramp-up.
Yeah, starting January 1st, 2027, all new EU public buildings have to be zero-emission, a new global benchmark.
Then California raises the bar again, demanding Scope 3 reporting. That's your complex supply chain emissions.
Meanwhile, Australia's reporting rules are widening, pulling in a whole new group of mid-sized companies.
So why should you care? Well, the thing is, the stakes are actually much higher than just fines.
Leaders are really in a bind. Compliance work is going up, but for 40%, budgets are actually going down.
And this stat really gets to the heart of it. A wild 95% of FMs just aren't confident in their data.
This data gap is exactly why ideas like the golden thread are moving from a nice-to-have to a legal must.
So the big question is, how can you and your teams actually prepare for this wave of deadlines?
Okay, let's break it down. Here's your 3-step action plan to get ahead of the curve.
Because really, this isn't just a compliance burden. It's a major strategic signal for the entire industry. Nail this, and you're looking at better financing, higher quality tenants, and increased asset valuations.
The compliance clock is ticking. So for your portfolio, is this a risk or is it a massive opportunity?